Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on sensitive content on Telegram, right? So let's go to the Telegram mobile application here, and after that you can see that here you have to go to the three lines which is on top left side corner. Then you have to go to the setting, and after that we have to go to the general setting here. So there's no general setting, we have to go to the privacy policy, and right now there's nothing. So actually in the recent update this feature has been removed. Okay, so let's check out on the search bar. Okay, here we can find it or not. So as you can see in the mobile application this is not available. Let's check out the web browser. So you have to choose any of the browser and you have to type on the search bar. For example, let me show you. You have to type on the search bar web telegram, right? And after that you will get the first link. You have to click this and you have to log in into this, right? You have to enter your phone number and your country, and after that you will receive a code and you have to enter that code, right? And here on the top right side corner there's three lines. You have to click on that, then the settings, and after that we have to go to the general setting, right? And on the last option there used to be a sensitive content turn on feature, but this has been removed in the web version 2, so there's no feature right now. So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.